of Mishnah Dalet. So now we're continuing the story of the So'el Azoza. The Kohen Gadol has chosen two Se'irim. The So'el Hashem has already been shechted and offered up, and the Zrikas Adam has taken place. And this parak deals with the So'el Azoza. So we've already mentioned that he now comes to the So'el HaMishtaleach, the So'el Azoza, and he did smicha on it on Mishnah Beis, and he's passed it in the previous Mishnah, Mishnah Gimel, to the person. Really, it could be a Yisrael, although the practice, according to Tanna Kama, was to give it to a Kohen, to walk him all the way to the mountain, which is called Azozel. The Mishnah continues now, Perek Vav Mishnah Dalet. V'kevesh osu loi, and they made a ramp for the man accompanying the So'el Azozel, mipnei habavliim, for the Babylon, because of the Babylonians, shahoyu misalshim b'sa'aro, because they would they would pull literally at the hair of the person taking the So'el Azozel. V'oimrim lo tol v'tzei. They would tell him, just get out of here already. In other words, to take the Averas, which is represented by this So'el, and which is going to be thrown off the mountain, just get out of here, just go. They didn't want their Averas to sort of be in existence for any longer. Now, although the Mishnah says, Mipnei habavliim, because of these Babylonians, they would make this bridge, sort of circumventing other people getting in their way from the Harabayas. According to the Rambam, it was just beyond the Harabayas or a little bit further. Wherever it went to, it was in order to prevent people from disturbing the person on the way. And the Gemara brings a brisa which says that it wasn't actually the Bavliim, but rather it was the Alexandrians, the people from Alexander, I guess in Egypt. But because people in Eretz Yisrael disliked the Babylonians, the Bavliim, they used this term of the Bavliim as a pejorative. Although it was, of course, related to the Alexandrians, they used it, they coined the phrase Bavliim. There's discussion about that, if it's appropriate to use it as a kinui. The Alts from Mishnah brings a discussion about that. But so far as we need to know, although it says Mibnei Bavliim, the Gemara says it actually means the Alexandrians, but Bavliim is a kinui, is a pejorative. Continues the Mishnah. Miyakire Yerushalayim, some of the Chashuvim, the eminent people of Yerushalayim, hayu melavin oso ad sukkah harishona. They would accompany the person taking the So'el Azazel until the first sukkah, the first booth. As the Mishnah says, Eses sukkos miyushalayim ad suk. There were 10 sukkahs, 10 booths from Yerushalayim ad suk, until Tzuk, which is the precipice, which is the mountain from which the animal was going to be thrown. Tishim ris, a total measure of 90 ris, which is shiva umechza lechol mil, which, if you do the maths, works out shiva umechza lechol mil. In other words, the total distance was 90 ris, which is approximately 24,000 amas, because each mil is about 2,000 amas, and therefore the booths were separated at a distance of shiva mechza lechol mil, 7.5 ris per mil. In other words, there was the article works it out that the total distance from Yerushalayim to the mountain was 24,000 cubits, which is that's what 90 ris works out at, which he says is approximately 7 to 9 miles. Okay, that is the end of Mishnah Dalet.